Okay, first off, let's graph this. I got x squared, and I got x to the seventh. There's x squared, and here's x seventh. Now I can't really see what's going on here. So if I zoom in, if I did zoom, choose 2 for zoom in, and press enter, since it's right in the middle, there's my x squared, there's my x seventh. Still can't tell. So I do enter one more time. There's my x squared. Still can't tell. Enter one more time. Okay, nothing. Zoom 6. First off, to find out where they intersect, you set them equal to each other. So x squared is equal to x to the seventh. Take x squared over, so I got x to the seventh minus x squared. Factor out an x squared, and that gives us x to the fifth minus 1. Set each one of those equal to 0. And that gives us x equals 0 here. Here I'll take negative 1 over, take the fifth root of both sides, and we end up with x equal to 1. Okay. So we're going from 0 to 1. The reason why I was trying to graph it is you always want to put the one that's above first minus the one that's below in terms of the x-axis. Now, let me see if I can do that again. If it is my window, let's try that. And I'm going to go from 0 to 1. The X scale really doesn't matter. And then this I'll go from 0 to 1. And graph. There's my x squared. X to the seventh is below it. So I'm going to do my x squared minus x to the seventh dx. And that gives us 1/3 x to the third, add 1 to my power, divide by my new power, minus 1/8 x to the eighth, add 1 to my power, divide by my new power, from 0 to 1. Plug 1 in, and I'm going to have 1/3 times 1 to the third power minus 1/8 times 1 to the eighth minus, if I plug 0 in, 0 to the third is 0 times 1/3 is 0, 0 to the eighth is 0 times 1/8 is 0, so that just gives us big 0. So that gives us 1/3 minus 1/8. Get a common denominator 24. Multiply this by 8, multiply that by 8. Multiply this by 3, multiply this by 3, and we end up with 5 over 24. It's not a big deal if you reverse the order on these. You'll just get a negative value, and that way you'll know that you have them in the wrong order.